Going in like the roof set back, is it? Little nest.
Yes, madam passerby, you're quite correct. That is what's happening here at the ADR Films Buller Road Studios, England. Oh, someone's had a horn for Christmas. And having come out their little nest up in our attic, they fly out that way and then they go directly behind for food and water and supplies that we at ADR Film supply to them in the rear garden. Because as you can tell, these old Victorian terraced, dilapidated ruins now, although some people are trying to put heating in them, but they're still old wrecks really. Back to the old era of the excellent steampunk movement and Victorian mechanisation, but here at ADR Films, steam still lives on. And it's like with old mills and buildings like we see on the right here of these Victorian streets, what once would have been the corner shop selling things like sparrow meat. We now have the birds re-nesting in these old slums. In broken pointing and such like, missing roof tiles. Of course we don't run on coal fires anymore because we give them all to little steampunk orgies via steam trains. That's what a real conservative lunatic will do for people. Steampunk movement, birds of Buller Road. We at ADR Films salute you. And we hope you'll be watching all ADR Films movies over satellite TV or YouTube